accused.
Ms. Kumbao also. Have we lost the network with the advocate?
Yes, it's appointed by
Collins.
What's your name? Yes, he also certified currently assessed fit to be, and there is a last person who is also no signs of mental illness.
Karani Brian Kimodo ameshtakiwa kwa makosa ya mauaji kinyume na sheria, maelezo ikiwa mnamo usiku wa tarehe 16 na tarehe 17 mwezi wa 11 mwaka huu katika sublocation ya Ngiriambu ambayo iko location ya Ngiriambu ambayo iko Kirinyaga East Sub County, Kirinyaga County, ni mliweza kuua mtu anaitwa Jacqueline Waruguru Kadhuri. Wewe kwanza ni kweli ama si kweli?
You have people who can stand surety for you, and having not had any compelling reasons from the DPP, I will grant bail to the three accused upon terms that you will execute a bond for 500,000 as offered by Mr. Mogo, with one surety who will stand to secure you are coming back for your trial. Okay? Accused to be released upon bond of Kenya shilling 500,000 with one surety for each of you. Okay? It is a 2025 case, court clerk, so you will not have a hearing date. When do they come for direction? Mr. Mogo, Ms. Otieno, and Ms. Kumbao, 7th of March. Second. 2 of 3.